Hey guys, Dani.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Sam, and we're the Reactor, back with another episode of KonoSuba, an explosion on this wonderful world. We are on episode 7. So last episode, basically, all of the Academy girls had a little send off for Megumin, and she's getting ready to start her journey to find a squad.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Spoiler alert: she does find one
Eventually. I hope we get to see them, but I'm assuming if we do see them, it won't be to the last episode of anything. But
yeah.
I'm excited to see what she was doing right before it all.
Yeah. I want to see her try to join other teams, and because we heard a little bit about it. She did try to join them, but I mean, she's kind of a liability.
She's
I guess.
One trick pony.
Yeah. Hey, is this the other
that weird cult town?
Arkin? Oh, why can I not remember? Is this?
Yeah.
Wait, so
Yeah,
she's
it
been
is.
here before? She did.
My sister's wishes. I can't remember if she mentioned coming here before.
She looked scared the second time.
She did. She did kind of
She was doing her own thing the whole time, so I guess
it sounds familiar.
it did sound familiar. I
can't remember the name of it.
When they mentioned it, because I know you said that she wasn't going to Axel earlier, when we were talking. But I assumed when she said Essentia, I'm like, oh, is that just the general area? I'm like, it sounded like the hot spring place, but when she went there the first season,
she didn't seem like, oh, this place again. Maybe she had a more pleasant experience.
Yeah,
because she didn't warn anybody about it.
No, so maybe Aqua coming there somehow triggered them to go a little crazy.
I guess we'll see.
Yeah.
Troublemakers of the City of Water.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
A statue.
Oh.
Oh, she's been there for a week? Yeah.
No, they are still like that.
How come she never said anything?
Maybe she did, we just didn't comprehend it at the time.
Damn.
So she was stuck here?
Well, they say Axel's best for beginners, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
That's a cute outfit.
Oh, God.
それが私を子供扱いする客がいたので、どこを見て子供だと判断したか言ってみればいいと尋ねたところ、身長とか胸とかその他にもなどと言いやがったので。
Oh, okay, then
Oh,
they
they
deserved
deserved
it.
it.
はい。
That's valid.
Not a good boss for not backing her up on that.
あなたたち、か弱い女性相手にこんなことをして恥ずかしくないのですか？これは何を開き直ってるんだ？いい加減に。そこまでです。助けてください。この人たちが全く可愛い顔しやがって誘ってんのか？こんな魅惑的な体で街中をしてたら何されたって文句は言わせねえぜとか言って。
Oh, is this a ploy to get her to apply to the church?
Girl!
そこらのボンクラ相手ならともかく、この私の赤い瞳の前にはそんなごまかしなど通じません。いや、あんたのその赤い瞳は節穴だよ。おい、あんたどうしてくれるんだよ。あの女はアクシズ教徒だぞ。うちの教会のエリス様の衝動が落書きしていきやがった。え？この前は恵まれない人に配るパンを全部強奪していったんだ。え？それはその
To distribute it to the needy. How dare her?
No, they were going to distribute it to
Oh,
the...
they were.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
アクシズ教徒の言うことだからと話半分で来たんだが、今回ばかりは本当にエリス教徒が幼い少女に絡んでいたとは。そこのアクシズ教徒が何を言ったのかは知りませんが、俺たちは別に何も。まあ、開き直るつもりなのかしら。あんな痛いげな少女だけでなく、私まで捕まえて何かするつもりだ。
Why does anybody part of that
でももう大丈夫よ。
who worship Eris even live here?
Right?
ちょっと来なさい。
Why is everyone obsessed with lollies here? Dude, got his hands.
That's right. That's my girl.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Thank
great.
God. No.
Oh,
Oh my God. Aqua, your people are crazy. Okay, that might win me over, actually. I would fold.
ちょろいな。
ちょろいですね。ちょろいわね。
I would just write a different name.
right?
Does she know she joins Aqua's squad? Okay, now I'm hungry. We should have ate.
Look at the music.
Zesta.
よろしければこの教会の一室を仕事が見つかるまで貸し出しましょう。
No, this is us. No,
No.
not anything.
それでは私のことをお兄ちゃんと
Okay.
お父さん
Ew, no.
下着を
Oh my God.
私を椅子にしてどうしよう迷う
I mean, you could have stopped at Big Brother.
迷える私に置いていけよ
Gross.
Oh God.
Are you sure about that?
I'm not sure it's wisdom. I would.
I think you guys are brawn, not brain.
So she was the one that taught these people?
Yeah, I would say they used that.
I kind of want to go back and rewatch the episode when they get there. Megumin!
It's your fault. Maybe that's why she's more traumatized.
She just probably she just disappeared those episodes.
Yeah. We just saw her later in the church, like cuddled up.
Yeah, so she was just traumatized. They got all.
素晴らしいなんて名案ださすが知恵のコーマ族今までのどんな作戦より成功率が高そうだ
She looks familiar.
Yeah, she does.
Jesus Christ.
Blowing, blowing. Oh my god.
My apples.
ありがとうございます
You could be dumb voice actors.
何かさせてもらえないですか
Ew.
まあ最初はこんなもんでしょう
Yeah.
つかめたんで次はいけます
あなたはもう帰ってください。
まあまあ誰にでも失敗
Never makes a mistake.
一言ですか。台本を変更してゼスタさんが私に
Oh,
ってくるところを助
so
け
she
てもらう
taught them everything.
Yeah, she did.
That's why they were kind of like low key, like when she first got there, right? They're-
Yeah.
このおじさんが私を無理やり。
男はどこだ
あれ？
He is fucking dumb.
早く迫ってきてください。こんなのだと私が痛い子みたいじゃないですか。
お嬢さんどういうことかな実は警官なんだ今日は非番なんだけど何の目的で騒ぎを起こそうとしたのかその事情を聞かせてもらおうかな
Damn,
Oh my
what?
god, ditched her.
Son of a.
と言っても手がかりは爆裂魔法を使うことと美人で巨乳なお姉さんってだけなのですが。
なんだか聞いたことがありますね
詳しく教えてください。
確かアクセルの街で爆裂魔法が使えるスタイルのいい名うての美人魔法使いが魔道具屋
Oh, Wiz.
Oh.
But that.
Oh, maybe that's why she goes to accent.
食事だけでなく、有益な情報までいただいたの
But
で
Wiz wasn't there.
Yeah.
Wiz doesn't know explosion magic.
無流の境界に落ちし断り、無行の歪みとなりで検出せよ。エクスプロージョン。
ほら、めぐみんさん、人の良さそうな子が来ましたよ。
He wants to avoid the guys because they look tough.
Yeah, Union.
こんな何もないところで転ぶとは。膝をすりむいてしまいました。痛くて動けません。
Oh
このまま
god.
傷口から何やってんの？
That's so embarrassing. Like, what are you doing?
They're rolling her over.
He's closing her eyes.
こんなところで。ねえ、いきなり転んで通りすがりの人に助けてもらって、それから何をするつもりだったの？
Oh, okay, here's a
そっちこそ
lecture.
どうしてここにいるのですか？連れてきたんですか？だって、ジョンスケちゃんがすごく寂しがってたから。
Not you,
すっか
Union.
り元気がなくなっちゃって。
これはまた、一体どんなプレイなのでしょうか？
What?
アクシズ教団最高責任者ゼスタ殿、あなたに出頭命令が出ています。
Oh.
何ですかあなた方は。罪状も言わずに。
Megumin, let it happen.
逃亡ではないですかね。めぐみ。そもそも何の罪なんです？ゼスタ様、今度は
What did you do this time?
あれほど斬新な一人遊びをほどほどにとも。
美人深海のセクハラが度を超えたとか、それとも女性
Oh
が
my
Damn,
god.
okay, well, now we know
知り合
why.
いがいないのになぜ男性が女性用の下着を買ったら後ろ指を刺されなきゃいけないのかと街頭演説をした
Oh my
そう
god.
です。
They're selling
He's
him
a
out.
fucking perv.
Yeah.
どうぞ。
Take him
め
back.
ぐみさんの裏切り者。人聞きの悪いこと言わないでください。
あなたには外観誘致罪
Oh.
の嫌疑がかけられている。
Add that to all the other charges.
アルカンレティアの町にやがて危機が訪れる。温泉に異変が見られたときは湯の管理者に注意を払え。そのものこそは魔王の手のもの。
Oh shoot, he was kind of right.
Yeah, right?
もたらされた情報だ。あなたも知っているだろう。
I mean, not the people who were taking care of it, but there was someone messing with it.
Yeah.
もしかして。
It came from the
ここ数
fortune
日
teller.
町の宿から温泉の水質に関する苦情が来ている。
Yeah.
まさに占い師の予言通り、温泉に異変が起きているのだ。 そして温泉の水質管理をしているのはアクシズ教団。つまりあなた方が魔王とつながりがあること。
この完成何を言うか。競技に悪魔を殺すべし魔王をしばくべしとある我が教団に限ってそのようなことがあるわけない。
やめろ。こう思考妨害と埋設罪も加
バカなことを言うその口に注意して
Ew, wow, I hate him. Gross. Take him away. Jail.
頭の弱いこの娘をうまく利用し落とし入れる。
なんてこと。ゼスタ様がいなくなったら、この教団一体
It'll probably get better.
Yeah, I'm sure you guys
どん
will
な
get
弊
better.
害があるのですか？
They're like,
He's like,
それにしても、なんで突然こんな嫌疑が湧いて出たのかしら。ユンユン。さっきから一体何をびくついているのですか？実は、コーマの里を出る際に、ソケットさんからお使いを
so
頼まれ
keto,
てね。
yeah.
こ
Okay.
の町が危機に陥る未来が見えたから、
Oh.
アルカンレティアによるなら予言を書いた手紙を届けてくれってそう言われて、それでつまりユンユンが持ってきた手紙が発端というわけですね。
I don't tell everyone who's here.
となってあんた僕と
Huh.
なんて憧れるけどリアルなことはいいんだ。
I feel like there's an end credit.
いかれた才覚
I think there is.
But they weren't actually the
shit.
Axis Church weren't actually aware of that guy working there though, right?
Hans?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You mean Hans like poisoning the hot spring?
Right.
Do
yeah,
you
because they were
think-
trying to fix it. They wanted it fixed or whatever.
Do you think it's the same thing though?
I mean, I guess it might not be. I don't know.
I mean, that was her fortune, so it like happens in the future sometime. How does that happen twice?
What are you thinking, Dani?
Well, I'm just saying because they just leave without solving it, kind of thing.
Yeah.
Because that would be the only explanation for it to be the same thing.
Yeah.
So that would just mean that they just don't help, and they just like, oh, okay, well, we deliver the message and they leave.
Well, maybe they thought they solved it by having him arrested.
Having the priest guy arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. That's the only thing I was curious about. No,
Oh,
he's in the
yes.
winning now.
And she wasn't there before?
I don't think so.
Actually, don't remember.
Yeah, no, I'm not sure.
I'm glad we got to see Union.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love her.
Yeah, maybe there isn't. And never mind, there isn't. Now I'm like trying to think back.
Yeah, me too. From the
I guess she just kind of like, but like, I wonder why she must have, maybe she said something like before they left, because you know how they took like the little carriages and ran into the little ostriches thing. Maybe she did say something.
She might have said something about
Like-
being nice.
Yeah, because it wasn't that bad when she was there.
No, it wasn't.
No. Yeah.
She might have mentioned something, probably
Yeah.
small.
Yeah, we didn't really pay too much attention. I'm sure someone in the comments will remind us like
What she said.
if anything was said. But if he got arrested, he didn't really have time to pass down her little tricks.
Not unless he came back.
Yeah, that's true.
Or, yeah, that's true. Or she was already telling everyone.
Yeah.
That's funny though. Like the two main ones that happened to Cosmo and Darkness on the
Yeah.
other.
Dude, that was bad when they were there. It was like every other person was doing it to them.
Yeah, they couldn't go anywhere without someone trying to recruit them or
It's-
getting spat on.
It seems pretty like miserable to be in like part of the heiress church and living there.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Right?
Can you have a small subsection?
No, because people will just get harassed all the time.
Guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check our Patreon, Discord, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.